Hey, what's up guys? This is Varun here. So a lot of you have queries regarding the workshop. So I thought I'd record this video to answer some of the most frequently asked questions. What will you be learning throughout this 3-day AR filter workshop? The first one is basics of augmented reality. What exactly is augmented reality? Where is it being used right now? What is the earning potential for a newcomer to get into this career path? Is it even worth doing? And we'll also discuss what are the different tools available for you to get started making AR experiences. Next, we will cover what are the fundamentals of AR design and development, things you need to have in your mind while designing an asset for augmented reality experiences. Like it may be 2D assets, 3D assets, audio files, or even logic. What do you need to consider while developing the logic for AR experiences? Then we will learn what goes behind making viral AR filters such as Clone Dance, Fire Dance, or even GTA Edit that I've made. And I've also made viral filters for my clients that have worked pretty well. I'll share my learnings of making these experiences, what helped them to get viral. Throughout the workshop, you will be building your AR portfolio by making 5 unique AR filters, which are using different capabilities of Spark AR Studio. Finally, we'll discuss how you can make money as an AR creator, the different ways you can monetize your skill as an AR creator. That is what I'll be covering in this 3-day workshop. Why am I certified to teach this workshop? Hi, my name is Varun Raikar. I'm a Meta certified AR creator based in India and the creator of viral Instagram filter known as Clone Dance. By viral, I mean it has a reach of over 1.4 billion and more than 1 million reels are made with it. Not just this, I've also created tons of AR filters for brands and influencers such as T-Series, Yatra, Discovery, Meta, Lenskart, Josh App, Vodafone CU, and a lot more. Couple of more questions. When is the workshop? Workshop is on 25th, 26th, and 27th of February. This is on a weekend. And what will be the timings? Timings will be from 7 p.m. IST to 8:30 p.m. IST. After this, we will have a Q&A session for those who have doubts. This will be a live Q&A session. The whole workshop is a combination of pre-recorded and live classes because that is what I found to be most effective in teaching AR. Will there be recordings for the workshop if you miss it? Definitely. There will be recordings available to you. All of the recordings will be provided within the 12 hours from the end of the class. Are there any bonuses? Absolutely. I will give you 10 full AR filter files for you to break apart and learn each and individual elements that went into behind making that effect. And also these are not just beginner filters, these are beginner, intermediate and advanced level filters, all of the 10 filters that I'll be giving you. And then you'll also get 100 assets to fast track your filter creation process. If you have these assets, then you can make the same filter with less time. And also you'll get access to a private Discord server where I'll be there to answer your queries regarding AR filters or AR in general. Will there be any certification for the completion of the workshop? Yes, you will get a completion certificate after the workshop is done. And that's pretty much it. I guess those are the frequently asked questions. If you have any more questions, then definitely shoot that to me via DM. I'll definitely answer them all. And I hope to see you in the workshop. Bye bye.